Greetings, everyone. I'm here this morning in Inglewood, California, at the Inglewood Park Cemetery. And I'm here to visit the grave of Sylvester. Actually, Sylvester James, but if you're a disco fan, then you just know him and remember him as Sylvester, and one of the most popular singers and entertainers and performers during the 1970s and 80s, during the disco era. He was right up there with ABBA, the Bee Gees, Donna Summer. I would say he's in my top 5 of, I can't forget Casey and the Sunshine Band. So those were probably my 5 top favorites. So how about you? You can let me know in the comments down below your favorite disco bands and singers and performers of the time. So if you haven't been here to visit Sylvester, he's pretty easy to find, and right back there behind me is the entrance. It's a large cemetery, but you come in through the front gates, you make a right, and just come on down until you get to this section here, which you can see is just a big flat green section. But what makes it easy to find are these buildings behind me. So it's right on Prairie, which is a very busy street. Sylvester was known as the Queen of Disco, and sadly he died at the age of 41 from complications due to the AIDS virus. He was born in Watts, California in 1947, just a few miles from the cemetery where he's now buried. Another interesting fact is that 2 of his backup singers were originally known as 2 Tons of Fun. Later they changed their name to the Weather Girls and had the huge hit, It's Raining Men. His life was way too short, but because of his incredible music and talent, he'll definitely be remembered forever. And it's nice to see from the trinkets left behind that fans are still visiting his grave today. Makes me very happy to see Sylvester in such a nice place. Sad that he was gone way too soon, but he left such an incredible legacy of wonderful music. And it's really cool that he's buried here in a cemetery with some of the best singers to have ever lived. I mean, what a cool legacy is that? Just right up the street here, just right inside the entrance, is Ella Fitzgerald's crypt or tomb. And just as soon as you come in the entrance, you can make a left and you go down to the other mausoleum. You can visit Ray Charles's tomb or crypt. And those are just 2 of the other very, very famous, popular singers buried in this cemetery. It's a very popular cemetery, not very far from Hollywood. If you're a fan of Sylvester, please leave a comment down below in the comment section. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, if you enjoy seeing the final resting places of some of your favorite people, then subscribe to my channel and you'll be alerted every time I upload a new video. So as always, thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.